You got a sweetheart of a weekend planned for you guys. Make sure you stay to the end so you don't miss any of the treats. Hot damn, we got a brand new coloring book and it's called Colorful Language. This one's definitely for the adults, so if you want to get a little bit more relaxation out of your profanity, this might be the book for you. So make sure you check down in the description for more details on where you can get your copy. Welcome back, Localtarians. It's Amanda and I'm here to talk to you about February 3rd, 4th, and 5th. That is your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday coming up. Guys, if you want to see this video change so that the report is a little bit different, give us all of your ideas down below in the comments. If you want us to do this differently, or maybe you want it to be a shorter list or a longer list, let us know and we'll consider all of your requests. Now let's just hop right into it and go to Friday. 9 a.m. Neverland, The Lost Adventure at Harry P. Lou Gardens, going on now until March 1st. 10 a.m. Earth Matters at Orlando Science Center, $24, Thursdays through Tuesdays, going on until April 30th. Coming out and learn a little bit more about what's best for our Mother Earth. 12 p.m. Relentless Courage, Ukraine and the World at War at Orlando Museum of Art. $20. Come on out and support this great exhibit. Tuesdays through Sundays, going on till March 26th. 6 p.m. It's Mardi Gras, you guys, and there's a street party going on at Independence Lane. Coming out to this free adventure and get your Mardi Gras on. 6 p.m. on Friday, Introspection at Faith Arts Village, Orlando. Free event going on until February 4th. They always have the most amazing art exhibits, open house, and lots of different artwork styles and types. Come on out and support this community. 7 p.m. Eddie and Adiri's Artist Showcase at Framework Craft Coffee House. 7:30 p.m. Clue at Osceola Center for the Arts, $24 to $29, Fridays through Sundays, going on till February 5th. Coming out and enjoy this classic theater production. 7:30 p.m. Blunt Force Trauma, Face Fryer, The Rottens, Dev the Walk at Uncle Lou's, $5 to come on out and help support these local musicians. 8 p.m. Diego Figueroa at Blue Bamboo Center for the Arts, $25 to $35. Come on out and support this amazing venue. 11:59 p.m. Freaky Fridays, Beyond the Valley of the Dolls at Enzian Theater. Guys, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell and help us support local everything. Guys, we've got even more great events. Come on over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page and help join that community. Guys, we do pin up a new event post every single day of the week to help you guys fight boredom here in your city. All right, guys, let's move it into Saturday, the heat of the weekend. 7:30 a.m. Out of the Darkness Community Walk at Baldwin Park. 9 a.m. 48th Annual Mount Dora Arts Festival at downtown Mount Dora. Come on out to this free, amazing event going on until February 5th. You are going to see some of the most amazing artwork. Definitely a wonderful time to come out and check out all these amazing vendors. 10 a.m. Cake Pops and Cakesicles at D&G Occasions. If you're looking to learn a little bit more about decorating or making desserts, this place is a place you want to keep your eye on. Make sure you check them out and see what classes and workshops they have coming up for you. 11 a.m. on Saturday, Fumachilega A history of the first peoples of Florida at Art and History Museum, Maitland. $6 Wednesdays through Sunday till February 5th. 11 a.m. Bungalower Buddies conquer the 2023 Rock Pit Beer Olympics at Rock Pit Brewing. This is going to be a fun time for all, so come on out and make drinking an Olympic again. 3 p.m. on Saturday, Spiritual Spaces at Rollins College in the Knowles Memorial Chapel. $15. It is part of the 88th annual Bach Festival, so definitely come out and support this great experience in music. 5 p.m. Beauty and the Beast cocktail experience at the Olive Bar. $47 Wednesdays through Sundays. This one will be going on until February 22nd, so make sure you get out there and enjoy it and don't miss your opportunity to have a little fun. 5 p.m. Oviedo Mall Carnival. Come on out to the Oviedo Mall, this free event for everybody. It is going on until February 12th. Come on out and enjoy this great carnival. 7:30 p.m. Carrie the Musical at Fringe Art Space. $27 going on till February 5th. Help support Fringe and other stage productions in our community. And last but not least for Saturday, 10:30 p.m., Thump Connect and Damez at Little Indies. 21 and up show going on free. So come on out, support this great venue, and enjoy a few craft cocktails while you're there. They sure do know how to sling them. All right, guys, if you're looking for even more great things, make sure you check out my other playlists and videos on this channel and help us support all the local musicians, artists, comedians, theater, everything going on in this city. If you have an event, make sure you let us know. And again, we do have even more great events every single day of the week. Don't forget to check those local lists. They go pinned up on our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. All right, guys, let's wrap it up this weekend with Sunday. Cursed Coconut Club at Red Coconut Club in City Walk, Orlando, going on till April 16th. 10 a.m. on Sunday, the Big Bounce America at Desertland Action Park. $22 and up. Fridays through Sundays, now until February 12th. Bring the kids and get bouncing. 10:30 a.m. National Theater Live, The Seagull at Enzian Theater. 11 a.m. on Sunday, 11th Annual Central Florida Dragon Parade at Mills 50 Main Street District. Always fun and amazing and just simply beautiful. Come on out and support this great event yet again. 11 a.m. Park Avenue CD's Community Day. Come on out and enjoy a little fun, a little music, and a little time spent in your community. 12 p.m. The Great American Trailer Park Musical at Theater West End. $25 Thursdays through Sundays till February 6th. Make sure you don't let this one get away. Definitely come on out and enjoy this amazing theater show. 1 p.m. Brunch of Love at Bitters and Bottles. $12 to $15. Come on out and support this great brunch environment. You're going to have such a wonderful time. It will be a spectacular array of food. 2 p.m. African American Read-In at Orlando Public Library. Come on out to this free event and enjoy a little bit more reading in your day. 7:30 p.m. Henry V at Margison Theater Lounge Shakespeare Center. $25 to $57. Wednesdays through Thursdays now until February 5th. So make sure you catch it before it's gone. And last but not least for your weekend, 8 p.m. on Sunday, Grammys Watch Party with La Petite Fatigue at the Abbey. $5. You can come out and see who wore it best and maybe who even catches a little bit of Grammy action. Get a little love, a little bit of music, and have a lot of fun. So come on out and support this great fun night. All right, everybody. Overall, make sure no matter what you do, get out there, grab some tacos, grab some great places to go and eat. If you need some ideas, please check out our Local Love What I Think playlist on my page. Lots of stuff going on. You can also check me out on TikTok and see what's going on over there. If we get to 250 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a lot of colors in my hair and have the most extreme crazy hair time yet. So make sure, if you're not already subscribed, that you go ahead and punch that subscribe button and maybe go ahead and hit those notifications. Drop us a comment. Here's where you can find me on all of my platforms. And other than that, guys, enjoy your weekend. Peace and out. See you later.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.